Welcome everyone and thank you for joining us on today's webinar. My name is George and I am here with Wondershare specializing in PDF solutions. Today I am going to talk about how PDFelement empowers our partners in business. If you have any questions during today's presentation, please type them into the question box in your Zoom control panel and we will bring them up during the presentation, and we'll also have time for questions at the end. A recorded version of this webinar will be available at the end of today's session. Now, without further ado, let's get started. In today's webinar, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Wondershare, and then I'll also present the amazing features of PDFelement 9. And lastly, I would like to show you our partner program. Let's get started. Wondershare was founded in 2003, specializing in software development and digital creativity. Until now, we've been providing simple and convenient software solutions to millions of users in over 200 countries. Recently, we have achieved a string of awards in the G2 Crowd Fall 2022, such as Fall Leader, High Performing Enterprise, Leader Small Business Fall 2022, and Leader Mid-Market Fall 2022. Now moving on to PDFelement 9. It is an all-in-one PDF solution with powerful tools to edit, convert, annotate, fill and assign PDF documents, and it currently has over 2 million daily active users. And today I'm going to show you how this can empower your business, and we'll be using the Windows version to do the sample. You can download all versions for any platform from the Wondershare PDFelement website. The download link can be found in the description box. Let's look at some core features. Signing a contract is a common occurrence in our daily work. Today I would like to share a contract signing scenario as an example, and let's see how PDFelement can help you throughout this whole process. When you receive a draft of the contract during the negotiation phase, you need to open it to check the details. Click on PDFelement and drag the contract into it, and you will see the file. Now let's go through the contract signing. The first feature we're going to look at is edit. While checking the content of the contract, you may need to add text. Go to the edit tool button from the menu bar on the upper part of the screen. Then click on the add text button from the editing toolbox. Now you can click on any part of the page to draw a text box. Once you click, you can start typing and you will see the text will automatically adjust to the text box. To change the length and width of the text box, all you have to do is click on one of the edit tools around the text box and drag until you get the size you need. You can also add text to these existing text boxes by clicking anywhere on it and typing the content. Or you can also copy and paste text into it. There is no limit to the text boxes or content that you can add, so you can edit the information that is necessary. The next feature we're going to look at is form. If you need more information from the other party, you could draw a form to collect the information in the way you want. Once you are in the Form tab, you have all these options here to manually add things yourself. For instance, if you want the other party's billing information, go to Create PDF section and select a proper invoice template. Then add a text box to ask them for their full account number and billing address, and use a single box to present the available payment methods. All of these can be fully customized by double clicking on the box, which gives you some options for the appearance, actions and formats. After several rounds of negotiations, you will receive the contract from the other party by mail once the terms of the agreement have been accepted by both parties. The next feature we're going to look at is OCR. What should you do if you realize you've forgotten to change some key details in your agreement, but you have already received the physical contract from the other party? In the past, physical documents were only viewable when they were scanned in as PDFs. Since a scanner just creates an image and does not actually read text, you need dedicated software so that you can actually recognize the text, so it is then editable from that physical contract. With the OCR feature in PDFelement, you can make these documents searchable. It's like magic. The first step will be to import the scanned contract. Then go to the toolbar and select the OCR option from the ribbon toolbar. You can now choose between two conversion options, editable PDF or searchable PDF. Then you can set the appropriate language, which is English in this case. Next, set the page range that you want to recognize and click the apply button to begin the process. Once the process is finished, the PDF file can now be edited in the edit tab. From here, you can select the text to change it, and you can also change the font color and more. The next feature we're going to be looking at is signing. At last, there is nothing that needs to be changed in the contract, and your company now needs to sign the contract and send over a copy to the other party. But then you find out that your local post office can't guarantee the delivery time because of this peak in orders around the holiday season. Meanwhile, you need to complete the payment process before the holiday season. Suddenly, you remember that PDFelement has a great online signing solution. To do this, you will open the contract and scroll to the bottom where the important signature information is. Click Protect at the top, then select Sign Document. Then you can create a small box in the location where you need to sign, which opens up your own personal digital signature. If you haven't created one before, you can create a new style and customize your signature as you please. After that, you have digitally signed your document. The next feature we're going to look at is team management. When a team member joins or leaves, you can manage this team member's authorization with the team management function. First, find the Manage Team module from the Wondershare Account Center. Then you can manage the team authorization. You can add users one by one or import the user in batches. Then distribute authorization to them one at a time. You can also edit the information of team members or remove team members with a few clicks. Select the users and then click Export Details. You will see the details of all accounts. The next feature is going to be license type. If you are concerned that the license type is not suitable for your business, there is no need to worry. There are several options that can cover all the common scenarios. You may contact Wondershare Sales to know more details, and they will assist you in selecting the right type of solution according to the size of your team, license management methods, and license type. Software assurance is also a cost-effective choice that is available for you, and it includes a free product upgrade within your license period. In addition to the tools that we've talked about today, PDFelement also has many useful features that are just waiting for you to discover them. In this next section though, I would like to talk about the Wondershare Partner Program. At Wondershare, we believe in delivering great products that simplify the way people work together, and we value partners that share that vision. With over 213 million SMBs operating globally, and a million new startups launched every month, there's never been a better time than to grow your business with Wondershare. More importantly, Wondershare sets you up for success with industry-leading discounts, a variable margin model, and award-winning software sold with flexible license. Our product matrix covers PDF solutions, video creativity, diagram and graphics, and utilities. Each product line has diverse software to meet the needs of different businesses and industries. For PDF solutions, we have PDFelement and Document Cloud to help businesses manage PDF documents efficiently. For video creativity, we have our star product Filmora, with over 100 million satisfied users around the world. As for diagram and graphics, eDraw Max is the leading alternative to Microsoft Visio. And as for the utility group, we offer software that focus on data recovery like Dr. Phone and Recoverit, which are very popular in the Southeast Asian market. With so many competitive products, our well-known customers include Microsoft, Intel, Bose, ARM, Samsung, DBS, etc. Additionally, we help each partner learn, evolve, and succeed by providing on-demand sales training, marketing development fund, and the assistance of a partner success manager. As a Wondershare partner, you'll have the tools, systems, and training curriculum necessary to successfully engage your customers in sales conversations about our solutions. We are willing to provide any support that helps you grow your business. Also, partners can work with Wondershare to jointly promote the brand and products through various channels like the official website, on-site exhibition, and advertisement, which will make your business more well-known with Wondershare software. Next, one of Wondershare's proud partners is going to share their success story. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Thidawan Chantawong. I'm the channel development exclusive from F109 Distribution. Today, I'm going to share our successful partnership with the Wondershare. Firstly, let me make a brief introduction to F109. F109 is a software distributor in the Thailand market. Our main mission is to bring diverse software as well as support to our channel partner to reach a win-win cooperation. Over the years, we are searching for credible and competitive software vendor to grow our business. Then, we meet Wondershare. Wondershare is a leading company in software development with a range of software covering PDF solution, video creativity, graphic, and so on. Their product is simple and easy to use with a quite competitive pricing, which help us meet the needs of a wider range of customers. This year, we have successfully helped many companies switch from Adobe Acrobat to PDFelement to cut IT costs. Once we sign as an official partner, Wondershare provides several product training to help us get familiar with the products and start our business quickly. They also deliver marketing, collateralized product, brochure, media kits, and creative design to support our business negotiation, online campaign, and roadshow. If we meet any technical issue, our account manager will respond in time. Moreover, Wondershare provides partners with industry-leading margin, which significantly drive our goal. As the global pandemic has accelerated the trend of digital transformation of companies, governments, schools, etc. We have seen great potential for Wondershare products. We will continue to promote this product with the support from Wondershare to make a bigger success together.